Hi, my name is Zavian, and today we're gonna make broccoli mac and cheese. This is one of my favorite dishes. First, we make the creamy sauce. Start by mixing butter and flour. This was a little tough, so Mama was helping me. Next, we add the chicken bouillon powder. Then, mix. We put the milk carefully. Then mix it a little to put oregano powder. Give it a mix, then put cheese. I ate some in between. Give it a mix, then your creamy sauce is ready. Next, we have to put butter on our hand and wipe it on a huge bowl. We're making the mac and cheese with penne pasta and broccoli. Drop the pasta carefully and give it a mix. When the pasta is almost done, add the broccoli. Mix it together and my mom helped me, then put in the bowl. Don't forget to put lots of cheese, and I also ate some. Put it in the oven and bake it. Then it's ready to be eaten. Yum! Yummy! Look at the mac and cheese broccoli. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved the video.